Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new, and don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. Now let's get right into this video. So today I will be doing my first set of Valentine's Day nails. Hopefully it's not too early, but I'm gonna do some Valentine's nails today. So I'm just applying some base coat to my natural nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds. And for this nail set, I'm going to be doing the laser girl method. So here I have my nail holder, and I'm using some double-sided tape. I will link everything that I use below, and I'm just sticking it upside down on the nail, and that's how I hold it while I do my nails. Because sometimes when I hold it in my hand, and like when I try to slide the polygel around, it gets in my hands and it's sticky. So I just tried this, and this is the way I'll be doing it from now on. So I'm just taking some vrenmol red polygel, and I'm just putting some in the pinky nail, and I'm just rubbing it and patting it into place. And then once I finish patting it into place, I'm just going to apply it to my nail, making sure to clean up any areas that spill if needed, and then cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then moving on to the next nail, I'm gonna apply some rhinestone glue inside of the nail with a brush, and then I'm just gonna smooth it out. And then taking these hearts that I got from AliExpress, I'm just gonna place 5 going down in a straight row. When I cured these, I realized they wasn't as straight as I could, but they are straight, just not like straight. So I'm just gonna apply 5 going down, and then once I had them into place, I'm just gonna cure for 30 seconds, or I think I just flash cured it, not actually for 30 seconds. I just wanted them to stay in place while I add the base coat. I'm just adding some base coat here, and then I cure it again. And then on the same nail, I'm just going in with this light apricot color from modelones, and just placing it into the nail and then smoothing it out, doing the same thing that I did with the last nail. And then once I got the nail cured, I'm just doing the same thing for the middle and index finger, and then I will do the thumb like I did the pinky finger. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you enjoy those steps. Please make sure that you watch this video to the end. I will highly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yeah, and I'm just gonna let you enjoy this process. And then once I have the nails applied, these are how they are looking. And then I'm just going in with my hand file, and I'm just going to file the free edge and the side to reshape the nail a little bit. Get my cuticle area, or like get the sides where some may have spilled up from underneath. And then after I do this with the hand file, I'm going to take my nail drill and just get around the cuticle more, because I felt like it was a little bit too high. So I just wanted a more sealed, blended look. And then I'm just wiping away the dust from my nails, and then this is how they look so far. And so far I like these, like I really like these, but I'm about to add some bling. So I'm taking some rhinestone glue and I'm just putting it over the whole nail of my pinky, and then I'm going to go in with some base coat or top coat, I forgot which one, but I'm going over the rhinestone glue with that, and then I'm just going to apply red rhinestones over the whole nail. And I love the look of these rhinestones, but when I tell y'all it took so long, so I'm just gonna speed it up and kind of like chop it into places. That way you get to see like the beginning, middle, and end of the nails. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you enjoy that process. Gosh, like look y'all, it is so pretty. So after this, I cured it in a nail lamp for 30 seconds just to make sure that nothing moved out of place. And then I'm gonna do the thumb the same way, and when I tell y'all it took even longer, but it's okay because it was worth it. And make sure that you stay to the end to see the final reveal. Once I got both of the nails filled with rhinestones, I'm just going to apply some top coat, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And then once these nails were out the light, these are how the nails turned out. I added some cuticle oil, and as you can see, the rhinestones look so good. This nail set was so simple, but I feel like the rhinestones took it to a whole nother level, especially with the hearts matching as the same color. And as always, if you have made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.